Hey craft lovers, my name is Raina. I work for the Western Sullivan Public Library, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY heating pad. So all you're going to need for this is one tube sock. If you don't have a sock to use, you can also use a sleeve from a long sleeve shirt if you want. You're going to need one sock, a funnel. I didn't have a funnel, so I am using a piece of paper that I've made into a funnel. You're going to need either a big spoon or a measuring cup. This will be used to put the rice into the sock. And then a bowl. And some string or yarn. And of course, you're going to need some rice. Okay, let's get started. So this is my giant container of not coffee, but rice. So we're going to take our bowl, we're going to put our sock in the bowl. The bowl is going to help so that the rice doesn't go everywhere. So we're going to take our funnel, put in the sock, grab our giant spoon or measuring cup, scoop up some rice, and start filling up the sock. And as you're filling it, you're going to need to just move it around. Right now I'm just stretching my sock out to make sure that we can get some more rice in there. Okay, I think that's enough. So I'm going to go ahead. Now I'm going to tie the end. I'm going to tie it really close up towards the top, and I'm going to tie it really tight. I'm going to knot it a few times. And go around again. And then one more time for safe measure. I'll double knot it. Just make sure no rice can get out of there. Okay, and there's your heating pad. It definitely looks like a foot, but it's a heating pad. Go around your neck. Use it for your lower back if you need to. So if you guys wanted to, you could, before you start putting the rice in, you could cut this part open and tie this part off so it's not looking so much like a sock. Also, you can take your rice and mix it with some essential oil. Because of the different types of socks that everyone has and different sizes, I didn't come up with a certain amount of rice to use for this. I know that I used way more than 2 cups, so this should be good. I needed this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.